Hello, my name is Sarvina Tuvaitupu. My student ID is S11125686. Okay, now I will talk about how I will use my scenario to introduce my topic, which is problem solving. Okay, now I want you to pretend like you're planning a birthday party budget. Okay. Today we're going to learn about something super useful in maths, which is problem solving. Now, problem solving means using what we know to figure out what we don't know. It's kind of like being a detective, but with numbers. To help us learn how to solve problems, I will need you to pretend like planning for a birthday party budget. Okay, imagine it's your birthday next week and your parents give you a $30 to spend on your party, which you will be very super excited. You go to the party store and start picking things out, like a cake for $12, balloons for $5, and a party hats for $6. But then you see a big bag of your favorite candies, which will be cost $10. Now you will stop and think, do I have money to buy everything I want? That's a real life problem, and we're going to solve it using maths. So that is how you will use problem solving in this scenario. So first we'll use the steps of problem solving. The first step is to understand the problem. What do we know? We know the prices. We already know the prices for the items that we need for the birthday party. That you have already got the $30 for the party. So what do we need to figure out? Whether or not you can buy all those items with your money. The second step is to make a plan. You need to make a plan. In this case, we'll add up all the prices for the items, which is $12 for the cake, a $5 for the balloons, and $6 for the hats, and the $10 for candies. Then we'll compare all that total to $30 you have. If it's more than $30, then we have to decide what to remove or change. That's part of solving. That's a part of solving a problem solving. That's a part of solving that problem. Making a smart choice, where in this point we'll make a choice to remove or to change. The next one, we solve it by doing maths together. We'll write it out, or maybe use blocks or play money to help us think it through. After that, we check our answer and ask, does it make sense? We need to check our answer, which is so we could know, is it make sense? Do we go over the budgets or stay under? After we do this example together, or in these scenarios, when doing the example together, then after I can let you create your own party scenario. You get a pretend, where you will get a pretend budget, and you'll choose your own items for from a list: cake, snacks, and decorations, and then solve your own problem. You'll even get to swap and solve someone else too. By the end of this lesson, you'll see, or in this scenario, you'll see that math isn't just something we do in school. It's something we use every day to solve problems and decisions. So to understand more about problem solving, we need to follow the step that I have been explained. We need to work in teams. We need to think critically. What or use the different strategies on how to calculate problems given in any activities, or which is in this scenario we use a birthday party budget planning. But here you just need to imagine, just in your imaginations of planning a birthday party. So let's get started and become a math problem solver. To become a math problem solver, we need to follow the steps that I have been explained. That's all from here, and thank you very much for listening, and have a good afternoon. Thank you.